What's going on, guys? All right, so listen, it's summertime, and for all my short hair baddies, I'm working with a pixie wig today, and I did 2 hairstyles with the same wig. So y'all are gonna let me know which one y'all like the best, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did each one step by step. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into the video, you guys already know I have to announce my $100 monthly giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below, and leave your Cash App. One of my lucky subscribers is gonna win $100 in all the products from this video. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Not brand new, okay? I've worked with this company a few times. So thank you so much, Lush Wigs, for sponsoring this video. And today I have something a little bit different. So we have a short, curly pixie cut wig. Now, I don't work with pixie wigs a lot, but when I do, they're always really, really cute, especially now for the summertime. You already know we're trying to get the hair off our neck, okay? Because it's hot and we sweating. So today I'm doing a really cute hairstyle, and I'm doing one right after, actually, so y'all can see the versatility of this wig. And I know what y'all are thinking, like, how can you make a pixie wig look nice and flat and natural? Because you have braids underneath, and it's like you have to make it super, super flat. But the thing is, okay, with these pixie wigs, as long as your braids are flat, it can look really, really natural. You know, I know it's kind of like iffy, but it can look really natural, especially if you have curly hair. Now, it's like the same concept with the 27 pieces. You know, it's literally basically the same concept, except you don't have to glue the tracks in. The tracks are already intact, you know? So basically we're doing a, you know, like, this is kind of like a 27 piece, but it's not. It's a wig. So, you know, this actually reminds me of a story. So I'm gonna tell you guys something real quick. So one time I scheduled a model to be on my channel, and sometimes it's kind of hard to get rid of the pixie wigs because a lot of girls don't be wanting to try it. So I promoted it on my Instagram, and one girl said she wanted to try it. So I was like, okay, let's do it. So she got to my house, and number one, her hair was not braided. And I'm like, okay, who finna braid that? So she ended up braiding it herself in the mirror, and her hair was not flat. You know, she didn't even use the blow dryer. She just like did like 5-minute braids in her head, and her braids were huge. Like, they were sticking up like 1 inch off her scalp. And I'm like, girl, like, this wig is not gonna fit. So we ended up having to switch the entire style, and I ended up putting like a curly lace closure wig on her. But yeah, so I say that to say that any old braids is not gonna work for this. You know, you have to make sure your hair is at least like medium to small, you know, size braids. Anything bigger than that, you're gonna look like you have a helmet on your head. All right, so back to the actual video. So the wig came in the shape that it came in, right? And it's still really cute. But what I wanted to do was make it look like more of like a tapered look, you know? So I'm taking my razor comb, and I already did the sides, as y'all seen. And now I'm doing the back. So I want to cut some weight off the back, and I want to make it kind of like, you know, more flatter to her head and leave the top long, just so I can create like a new shape for the wig. And this is so easy, y'all. Like, y'all can do this at home, really on yourself. All you have to do is leave some of the hair out on top so you can keep the top long, and just, you know, make the bottom kind of like come into your neck a little bit more. And I don't do this with scissors because it's way easier and way quicker just to do it with a razor comb. And I'm doing it like this to make it a lot more customer friendly, just so y'all know that y'all don't have to be like master hairstylists to do a nice pixie cut on yourself. All right, so about what, 5 minutes later, I'm really liking the shape. Okay, so as y'all can see, I left a little bit of like long hair near the hairline, and I did that so we can create some type of like long piece in the front, or just maybe like a sideburn or something. I just know that every time I used to watch hairstylists cut hair, they used to always leave a long piece in the front, like where the sideburn is, because you know, you can create more shape with that, you know, and just in case I need to leave it longer for like some long baby hair, or, you know, just whatever, like just make sure you leave that piece in the front just in case you want to do something with it. All right, so now I'm taking more tropical root setting foam and applying it to the hair so we can make the curls more defined and look more, you know, wet and juicy. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what shape I'm trying to do, right? I don't know if I want the hair to stick up. I don't know if I want it to go to one side, go straight back. Honestly, it doesn't even matter. Like whatever way we do it, it's going to be really cute because the cut is cute in itself. So before we even get into that, I'm gonna go ahead and do these baby hairs, and then we're gonna get more into the style in a few minutes. All right, so right now I'm just gonna play with it. To be honest, I'm just gonna play with it with my hand and the comb, just so I can, you know, get a feel for it, get the dynamic of the cut, and just see what looks best on the model. All right, so now for the baby hair. Now, sometimes when you're trying to mold baby hair on curly hair, and right when you put that gel on it or that foam, the hair curls up again, and it kind of makes it hard to mold the baby hair. So because I don't want them problems today, I'm just gonna flat iron the baby hair and then mold it with the Got2b gel. And I know the Got2b gel is wet, so when I apply it to the baby hair, they should curl up, right? Well, in this case, they didn't. So if you were wondering, yeah, they didn't curl back up after being flat ironed. Okay, all right, it's looking cute, but I think I should maybe do like one more baby hair in the middle because it's looking a little bit, I don't know, like square-ish. All right, that looks good. Now I'm gonna take my tweezers and just define this part because I mean, I wanted to make it look as natural as possible, you know, and I definitely see myself keeping the top up, maybe adding some body. I mean, even, oh, I don't know, this little ponytail thing looks kind of cute too. So we can do a lot of stuff with this. But right now, I want the baby hairs and the tapered sides to kind of dry so they can stay in place. And then we're going to see what's going on after that. Man, let me tell you, everything looks better after coming from under the dryer. I don't know what it is. Like, it just looks flatter. The hairline looks better. Baby hairs look better. Like, everything just fell in place. So right now I'm taking my fingers and just kind of like brainstorming on the shape that I want for the hair. All right, so I'm taking my Got2b holding spray and holding the hair up so it can stay in place. And I guess I'm going to do like a peacock look. I don't know if that's even what you call it. what you call this? Either way it goes, it's going to be high, it's going to have some body, and it's going to be just really cute. So while I do my thing, I'm gonna have the model hold the blow dryer from a distance just so we can like kill two birds with one stone. While I style, she can be drying the hair in place. All right, so this is the final look of the first look that we're doing today, and I love it. Like, I can't believe we did this from a lace front wig. Like, that's crazy. All right, now I'm taking my water spray bottle and spraying the hair down so we can go ahead into our second look. So this one's gonna be way more relaxed, you know, some like wet and wavy type vibes. So yeah, so after I put the water in there, I'm just gonna play with it, see which side it looks the best on, you know, try to probably go straight back to, that might be cute. But I think she wants it to be a side part, so we're gonna try this. All right, you guys, so this is the second final look for today. Now, I loved the two looks that we did today with this wig, and it's funny because this wig, it's so short, but at the same time, it's so versatile. So if you guys want to check out this pixie wig and do it at home for yourself, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. Once again, thank you so much, Lush Wigs, for sponsoring this video with this lovely pixie wig. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.